Today we are working on 2001 Z3 BMW, and look at that. I used the polish kit from online and it looks crappy. I mean, no other words. Look like a fisheye. It's not good, so we are going to replace the headlight. I ordered on eBay, pretty good headlights. So we got 8mm 2 bolts here. One is right here, easy to access, and another puppet hidden somewhere right here. So let's jump into it. On the left side, if we unscrew this thing, this little cap, and we got a windshield water, and kind of put it aside, so we have nice access here. Just twist this light, is out. Now on this side, out, same thing on this side. Boom. Okay, that got taken care of the electrical. Now let's move to here. 8mm small socket. This might spin, so you want to hold with pliers. This adjustable thing, sometimes you might spin. Now you will need like a bigger extension. I got a fat extension with a little adapter, and let's jump in here. Get that. Another bolt is hidden right here, also easy to access. And that's it, just slide to the front. Goodness, so easy to remove. Look at that. That is the crappiest kit ever that was being invented in universe. My headlight was bad, but it became worse after that kit, the cheapy kit online to buff and restore the headlight. I mean the coating, that's what it was bad. Buffing part was a-okay. Look at that, so easy to access. And this is baby compare. We get a little halo action going. Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything about that one. So we got this one, black to black. Gray is going to somewhere here is gray, and this side one to this puppy right here, except I got a nice wire. They all fits perfectly, except I got a little on this new one different addition. This is extra, which is a little bulb I'm gonna show in a few seconds, and this is for halo. And for halo I got separate wire from the cab. Sometimes I want to be parked and car is off excuse me, and just to turn halo on. So this is the wire. So I'm going to work on the halo now, and this is little bulb, as you can see, extra. I don't know, for now I'm gonna leave it, but then I might hook it up to something. Okay, now we got soldering action. I got pretty nice wireless solder that you need to fill out with a button. It's pretty nice, so I'm gonna solder. Already done with this one. I'm going to solder this puppy right here. We put the tape. Okay, so now let's gently install it. And if you need to adjust it, it's pretty handy. Same socket, 8mm. Just maybe adjust this side as well. Okay, definitely can see a difference, way better. Okay, well, do same thing on the other side. On this side will be a little bit challenging So the air box, we're gonna loosen up this nut, remove these two clips, and the box is out. And get a little holster before headlight. Protected pretty good actually. Okay, so let's unscrew the bolts. Okay, we just solder it, put the shrink wrap over it. Don't forget to put the shrink wrap first, then solder the wires, and now let's put it back. This one is a little bit harder because it got that shroud, that holster. So we're gonna connect all the wires now, and that way it will be a little bit easier. So gray going to gray. Out of all, this bolt gonna be most challenging, but you can access pretty good with extension. And here, as far as adjusting, this was actually pretty fast and easy. This parking light here, and yeah, let's bolt it in. Alright my friends, so you're pretty much done. Please like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.